something really fun for us today. I am in Hot Springs, downtown, in Hot Springs National Park actually, and we're gonna take a walking tour today. This video is sponsored by WalkFit. That's an app you can download on your phone and you can chart your progress on your walks. You can set goals. It gives you all different things that you can do at home to lose weight, get more energy, build better habits. I've been using it recently and I love it. So I'm going to show you today how you can use it on your own walks while we check out beautiful downtown Hot Springs. We're starting at Fountain Street and Central Avenue, right by Fat Jack's. Then we'll head down Central and I'll show you all the amazing shops, and of course, we'll make our way down the iconic Bathhouse Row. Let's go.
Megan, I'm one of the owners of Washington Wax and Naturals. We have candle making that we do here in person. A sip and pour glass, guests come sit, drink, snack, and relax, all while you customize your own candle. Additionally, we have a lot of indigenous artists in stores. If you're downtown in Hot Springs, come see us.
There's so many cute shops in downtown Hot Springs, but this is my favorite. This is the famous Arlington Hotel. This is where celebrities and gangsters used to stay back during Prohibition. I have a video coming out all about the Arlington.
Come, let Zoltar tell you more.
This is the Ohio Club, and it's Arkansas's oldest bar. Founded in 1905, this historic Hot Springs casino hosted mobsters like Al Capone and even baseball icon Babe Ruth.
All of our bath and body products are hand and locally made here in Hot Springs. We also have our demo sink and testers all around if you would like to try anything out.
Okay, now this is the coolest thing. You can come up here to these water faucets and fill up your own jugs with the hot springs thermal water and take it home with you and enjoy all the benefits. Lots of locals come here for the water and they fill up lots of jugs. People come once a week to do that. If you come and you don't have a jug with you, you can usually go in one of the gift shops and they sell them. So you could get your own hot springs mineral water and take it home with you. This is the iconic Bathhouse Row, the centerpiece of downtown Hot Springs National Park. These historic bathhouses have been here for over 100 years. Back in the day, wealthy visitors and even famous gangsters came here to soak in the natural thermal waters. The Lamar is now the park's gift shop. Quapaw is still an operating bathhouse where you can soak in the thermal waters. Superior has been transformed into a brewery. It's the only brewery inside a national park.
I'm visiting from North Carolina. I'm in Hot Springs, Arkansas, and I've never been here before. And my son told me to go put my finger in the water. And so I thought, oh, nice warm water. And ow! It is like boiling hot. It's so hot I can't believe it. I have to do it again. So it's like, ow. So I was told that over thousands, I guess, I don't know, millions, thousands of years, the water trickles down to the rocks, through the rocks in the earth, to where the magma is, heats up that water, and then it comes back up like steam, and anyway, it heats it up, comes up out of the ground like this. You have to come here. This is really the best town.
It is.
I got my whole new outfit there today.
Cute. We love it. Beef jerky outlet. Let me find out.
We have our share packs and our snack packs. All of our jerky is made in Tennessee. Some of our items in the store, like our fried okra, are made in store. And yeah, I mean, it's all locally owned, not locally made, and yeah, come and see me.
Okay, we did it. We made it all the way up and down Central, and hopefully you got to see some cool stuff. And if you ever come to Hot Springs, you might have seen some things you want to check out. So I hope you enjoyed the walking tour, and we'll have to check our progress on the app. Okay, so here's our route. It's a little squiggly, but you can see everywhere I walked up and down Central. 5,453 steps. We covered the whole downtown area all the way up and down Central. So you should definitely check out this app. I'll put my link in the description where you can get 60% off the highly recommended 3-month plan. Perfect for building a routine and tracking your progress. You can also scan the QR code on your screen to start creating your own personalized daily walking plan right now. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour of Hot Springs. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part was and if you've ever been here before. There's so much to see and do in this town, so this was just a little taste of what it's like to spend a day exploring downtown. Stay tuned because I have a lot more videos coming up from Hot Springs, including a video all about the beautiful, magnificent Arlington Hotel.